like pets. Look at the camera. You like pets. Oi. No! Sorry, guys. No! Bad boy, okay? And I'm sorry you had to hear all that. My dog is just being very silly right now. It's a goddamn zipper. Come on, dog. God damn it. Cut it out. Right now. I'm saying right now. Sorry, guys. My dog was being a pain. But let's hope he likes pets. Like pets. He's trying to get into my brother's bag. He likes pets. Creeper! No! Sorry guys, I can't show you his face right now, but because it's stuck inside his bag. Creeper, look at me! Look at me! He's just gonna flip a bit. Yeah, anyway, so that's the end of the video, and so if you want, you can subscribe and like the video, share if you want, hit the bell, and yeah, bye.